Hey, it's Alex from Stormz. We are going to see how to apply a coupon to your account. These coupons can provide discounts on your Stormz subscription or even grant you access for free for a limited period. So, head over to your Stormz account. At the top right of your screen, you'll see a menu with your name. Click on it, a drop-down will appear, select Settings. This will navigate to your account page, and next, you select the Plan tab. So here you can upgrade your plan, and be careful, even if you're applying a free coupon, you'll still need to select a plan and input your credit card. But don't worry, if you've got a coupon, you won't be charged a cent. Then hit Change Plan and pick the plan that fits your need. Be careful, some coupon can only apply to specific plans. Now, input your credit card details, select your country, fill out the billing info like your company name, VAT number, address, and city. And last, but not least, input the coupon code and then click Change. Voila! Your account will be upgraded and the coupon will be automatically applied. Bravo!